This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Apply the parking brake and block the wheels. Raise the front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Move a large container under the radiator drain plug to catch the coolant. Remove the portion of the splash guard liner under the engine that blocks access to the drain plug. Then attach a suitable hose to the drain fitting. Open the radiator drain plug and direct the coolant through the hose into the container. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses. Close and tighten the radiator drain plug, then remove the hose attached to the drain fitting. Carefully remove the powertrain control module from the mounting bracket by releasing the bracket retaining clip, then sliding the module upward. Temporarily set the module aside. Release the retaining clips for the power brake booster vacuum tube and wiring harness. Position the tube and harness aside to allow for better access to the thermostat housing. Squeeze the hose clamps and slide them back on the hoses. Then detach the radiator hose and heater hose from the thermostat housing cover. Unscrew the bolts and lift off the thermostat housing cover. Remove the thermostat from the housing. Install a new rubber seal onto the replacement thermostat. Insert a new thermostat into the housing, spring end first. Install the thermostat housing cover and mounting bolts. Then tighten the bolts to 88 inch-pounds. Attach the radiator hose and heater hose to the thermostat housing cover and secure the hose clamps. Install the wiring harness and power brake booster tube back into their retaining clips and be sure to secure all the clips. Install the powertrain control module back onto the bracket, sliding it downward until it is secured. Connect the cable to the negative terminal of the battery and tighten the negative cable nut securely. Install the battery cover, securing all the side retaining tabs. Refill the cooling system. Close and tighten the radiator drain plug. Install the splash guard fasteners. Lower the vehicle. Make sure the heater temperature control is in the maximum heat position. Slowly refill the coolant reservoir with a proper mixture of coolant until coolant is 1/2 inch above the cold fill mark. Install the reservoir cap. Start the engine and run it in a well-ventilated area until the thermostat opens. Coolant will begin flowing through the radiator and the upper radiator hose will become hot. Turn the engine off and let it cool. With the engine cool, remove the reservoir cap and add more coolant mixture to bring the coolant back up to the correct level. Install the reservoir cap. Check for leaks and proper thermostat operation. Keep a close watch on the coolant level and the various cooling system hoses during the first few miles of driving. Make sure the hose clamps are tight and add more coolant mixture as necessary.